The same Klover complaints show up again and again, and knowing those patterns makes it easier to avoid frustration before you request a cash advance or contact support. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common issues users report, what usually causes them, and which problems you can often fix yourself. One of the biggest complaints involves cash advance eligibility. Some users expect to qualify immediately after creating an account, but Klover reviews account activity, linked bank information, and other eligibility requirements before making advances available. If your advance amount is lower than expected or unavailable, check whether your bank account is still connected correctly and whether your recent account activity has changed. Another common complaint is delayed bank connections. If Klover cannot maintain a connection with your financial institution, features like eligibility reviews or account updates may stop working until the connection is restored. Reconnecting your bank account inside the app often resolves this issue. Many users also report problems with direct deposit recognition. If Klover does not detect a qualifying deposit, your available features may remain limited. Confirm that your paycheck was deposited into the linked account and allow time for the app to refresh before assuming something is wrong. Support response times are another frequent concern. During periods of high demand, replies can take longer than expected. Instead of sending multiple support requests, keep your original ticket updated with screenshots, error messages, and any relevant account details. That gives the support team everything they need in one conversation. Some users also mention login problems after app updates. If that happens, install the latest version from your app store, restart your device, and sign in again. If the issue continues, reinstalling the app can remove corrupted local data that may be causing the problem. Billing questions appear regularly as well. If you notice an unexpected charge, review your membership status, optional services and payment history inside the app before contacting support. Many billing questions can be answered directly from your account settings. The pattern across almost every complaint is that account connections, app updates, and eligibility checks are linked together. When one part stops working, other features may also be affected until everything syncs again. The key takeaways are simple. Check your bank connection first. Verify your account information is current, and gather screenshots before contacting support. Those steps solve many common issues or help support resolve them faster. If you're having trouble with Klover, start by reviewing those areas today. If this video helped, like it, subscribe, and check out our other Klover troubleshooting guides.